And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a look at the Fuji XC 15-45 power zoom, and we'll have a go at vlogging with it, some stills, and to see what we get out of it. Let's have a look. So here we are in Melton Park, and we're just going to give the X-T30 and the XC 15-45 lens a go at vlogging. I've got an iOS on, got 15mm full stretch on my arm, and we'll see how this vlogs, see if it's any good for vlogging. And now we have a swan. We'll have a walk along the ridge, see what we can see. So here we are on the top of the hill at the Melton Park, right up there. Now we're in the darker of the woods. And see how the camera can cope with the slightly different lighting conditions. As we walk down the woods, down the park. Is this lens any good for vlogging? We'll see. Oh, heading back, sun's dropping down, and got the camera now set on auto ISO and auto aperture. We'll just see how that copes with this little walk here. I've got it on face and eye detect, and see if it actually focuses on the face. See how it's been focusing while I've been vlogging. Hope to do a few more vlogs in the future, especially testing some of the lenses, and to see which ones work the best. So I hope it's focusing on my face, and we'll see how good this camera lens is. Should have a bit of wobble though. So I'll just do the zoom test. I'll zoom in. Let's see if we get any juddering I'll zoom out. Little swinny. And this is 800 ISO. (1600 ISO). (3200 ISO). (6400 ISO). Right, so that's the walk around Melton Park. Have a look how this XC 15-45 works on the X-T30. I'll get it all back in the computer and have a look. See you back at the computer. Right, so having looked at all the footage and the stills from a little walk around Melton Park, I found that the XC 15-45 worked really well. For a cheap lens, I mean, the build quality isn't fantastic, it's all plastic, but the actual glass inside seems of very high quality. The OIS worked quite well, obviously not as good as a proper in-body stabilisation, but yeah, worked out quite well in most circumstances. So I think for a cheap kit lens, I think it's definitely worth having, and it's something you can just keep in your bag, use as a walk around lens, and I think as a vlogging lens I will use it more. So that's my quick look at the Fuji XC 15-45 lens for stills and video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.